Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is SC's ruling on immunity for legislators facing bribery charges. Recently, the Supreme Court said that members of Parliament and members of the Legislative Assembly cannot claim immunity from prosecution in cases of bribery for votes or speeches in the House. The recent verdict by the Apex Court overturns the 1998 judgment in the PV Narasimha Rao case. Articles 105 and 194 of the Constitution deal with the powers and privileges of MPs and MLAs in the Parliament and the Legislative Assemblies. The legal shield provided to lawmakers under these articles protects them from prosecution. These provisions were put in place to ensure that MPs and MLAs can work without the fear of legal action being taken against them. They grant them freedom of speech and protect them from being prosecuted for their remarks in the House or any vote they may participate in. In the PV Narasimha Rao case, allegations had arisen that legislators of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha had accepted bribes to vote in favor of the government during a no-confidence motion in 1993. In its recent ruling, the Supreme Court clarified several key points. It emphasized that immunity from prosecution should not shield legislators from charges related to bribery, as such actions undermine the purpose of parliamentary privileges meant to facilitate debate and deliberation. Additionally, the court highlighted that the offense of bribery is complete when a legislator accepts a bribery regardless of subsequent actions. The court rejected the argument that the judiciary's intervention in such cases interferes with the legislature's disciplinary authority, stating that criminal proceedings and disciplinary actions operate independently. It underscored that corruption among legislators undermines the foundations of democracy and erodes public trust. Furthermore, the court clarified that legislative privileges, including immunity from prosecution, extend to various functions of elected members beyond lawmaking, even when the legislature is not in session. Additionally, it ruled that immunity applies equally to elections for the Rajya Sabha, contrary to previous interpretations. Now's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which article of the Indian Constitution grants immunity to members of Parliament in respect of anything said or any vote given in Parliament or any parliamentary committee? Article 32, Article 105 Clause 2, Article 194 Clause 2, or Article 356? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.